Discarded knowledge, unlocking the secrets of owl pellets. Owl pellets are small, regurgitated bundles containing undigested parts of the bird's prey, like bones, fur, and insect shells. Unlike regular waste, these pellets give scientists a clear snapshot of what owls eat. By dissecting them, researchers can study the diet and behavior of owls, as well as the ecosystems they live in. These pellets are useful in many fields. Entomologists, insect scientists, use them to track bug populations, while mammalogists study small mammal diversity. Ornithologists, bird experts, learn about owl diets and habitats, and paleontologists examine ancient pellets to understand past ecosystems. In schools, pellet dissection is a fun, hands-on way to teach biology and ecology. Botanists even find seeds in pellets, showing how owls help spread plants. Owl pellets also reveal environmental pollution, like heavy metals from contaminated prey. Surprisingly, these leftovers aren't wasted, vultures sometimes snack on them. Though often overlooked, owl pellets hold valuable clues about nature, making them a key tool for scientists and educators alike. Introduction. Owl pellets are compact bundles of undigested material, like bones, fur, and insect shells, that owls regurgitate instead of passing as waste. While many birds produce pellets, owls provide the most detailed dietary records because they swallow prey whole and have weaker stomach acids than other birds of prey, preserving bones and other hard parts better. Unlike diurnal raptors, eagles, hawks, etc., which tear apart prey and have strong digestive acids that dissolve bones, owls' stomach acid is milder, about as acidic as vinegar, compared to near hydrochloric acid strength in other raptors. This means their pellets contain more intact bones, making them perfect for studying diet and ecology. Over 300 bird species produce pellets, including robins, herons, and kingfishers, but owl pellets are the most scientifically valuable. Scientists dissect pellets to learn about food chains, animal populations, and environmental health. They reveal what owls eat, how ecosystems function, and even historical changes in prey species. In schools, pellet dissection is a fun, hands-on way to teach biology. Surprisingly, these pellets aren't just waste, vultures sometimes eat them. From tracking insect populations to uncovering ancient ecosystems, owl pellets are tiny treasure troves of information, helping researchers in fields like ecology, paleontology, and conservation. Conclusions. Owl pellets may look like simple clumps of fur and bones, but they're actually treasure troves of scientific information. These regurgitated bundles reveal what owls eat, helping researchers study bird diets, track small mammal populations, and even detect environmental pollution. Paleontologists use ancient pellets to uncover what ecosystems looked like centuries ago, while teachers use them to introduce students to biology in a hands-on way. Because owls swallow prey whole and digest food less thoroughly than other birds, their pellets preserve bones and other remains better, making them ideal for study. However, accurate analysis depends on experts carefully identifying the prey fragments, especially in regions with many animal species. From ecology to education, these unassuming pellets help unlock nature's secrets, proving that even leftovers can hold valuable clues about the world around us. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.